Bro, have you ever wondered how Python handles massive amounts of data so fast? Behind the scenes, one library makes it possible, NumPy. Today, we'll explore what NumPy is, why it's powerful, and how it completely changes the way we work with numbers, arrays, and even machine learning. History and purpose. NumPy stands for Numerical Python. It was created in the early 2000s as an improvement over an older library called Numeric. The goal, to make large-scale mathematical operations possible in Python, fast, efficient, and easy to use. Imagine you have millions of numbers. A normal Python list struggles, but with NumPy, everything becomes lightning quick. Core concept. The heart of NumPy is the ND array, or n-dimensional array. Think of it as a super-powered list that supports mathematical operations directly. No loops, no complexity. NumPy is written in C under the hood, which is why it's much faster than pure Python. This simple line gives us the structure of data instantly. Why it's powerful. NumPy supports vectorization, meaning instead of writing loops, you apply operations to entire arrays at once. This is the secret sauce that makes machine learning and deep learning possible. No loops, just clean math. It also comes with linear algebra, Fourier transforms, and random number generation. In fact, libraries like Pandas, TensorFlow, and PyTorch are built on top of NumPy. Real-world uses. NumPy is everywhere. In data science, it handles massive data sets. In machine learning, it's the backbone of training models. In computer graphics and simulations, it processes multi-dimensional arrays at incredible speeds. For example, generating random data for simulations is a single line. That's a 3x3 matrix of random numbers instantly. Why beginners should learn. If you're starting with Python, mastering NumPy is non-negotiable. It transforms how you think about data and algorithms. It replaces slow loops with high-performance operations, making your code cleaner and 100 times faster. So bro, NumPy isn't just another Python library. It's the foundation of modern data science and AI. Whether you're crunching numbers, building neural networks, or analyzing datasets, NumPy is the tool you can't ignore. If you like these documentary videos, kindly hit the subscribe button, and you can visit my website for AI-based tools and open source notebooks. See you in the next documentary.